Star seekers, welcome to Astronauts, where we explore the mysteries of space. Today, we'll be delving into the science of black holes and the latest discoveries in this field. But what are black holes? Black holes are some of the most enigmatic objects in the universe. They are regions of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. They are formed when massive stars collapse in on themselves and become incredibly dense. The science of black holes. Black holes are fascinating objects to study because they challenge our understanding of the laws of physics. Scientists have spent decades trying to unravel the mysteries of these objects. They have developed theories and models that attempt to explain how black holes work and how they affect the space around them. Types of black holes. Stellar black holes are the most common type of black hole, and they are formed when a massive star exhausts its fuel and undergoes a supernova explosion. If the remaining mass of the star is greater than about 3 times the mass of our Sun, the core of the star will collapse in on itself, creating a black hole. These black holes have a mass range from about 3 to 20 times the mass of the Sun, and are typically only a few miles in diameter. Intermediate black holes are a relatively new discovery, and there is still much we don't know about them. These black holes are larger than stellar black holes but smaller than supermassive black holes, with masses ranging from about 100 to 1 million times that of our Sun. Some theories suggest that these black holes may form from the merging of multiple stellar black holes, while others propose that they are formed through direct collapse of gas clouds. Supermassive black holes are the largest type of black hole and are found at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These black holes have a mass range of millions to billions of times that of our Sun and are thought to be formed through the accretion of gas and the merging of smaller black holes over billions of years. Despite their immense size, they have an event horizon only a few times larger than the solar system. Understanding the different types of black holes is crucial to our understanding of the universe. By studying these enigmatic objects, we can learn about the laws of physics and the evolution of galaxies. There is still much we don't know about black holes, and scientists continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge in this exciting field of research. Discoveries and breakthroughs. In recent years, scientists have made several breakthroughs in our understanding of black holes. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole. The image showed a bright ring of light surrounding a dark center. This image confirmed Einstein's theory of general relativity, which predicted the existence of black holes. The role of black holes in the universe. Black holes are not just interesting objects to study in their own right. They also play a crucial role in the evolution of the universe. One way in which black holes influence their surroundings is through their strong gravitational fields. As matter falls into a black hole, it gets heated up and emits radiation. This radiation can interact with the surrounding gas and dust, causing it to heat up and ionize. This process can create what are known as active galactic nuclei, which are incredibly bright sources of radiation that are thought to be powered by supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. Black holes can also have a profound impact on the formation and evolution of galaxies themselves. One way in which this happens is through a process called galactic cannibalism, where one galaxy merges with another. During such a merger, the black holes at the centers of each galaxy can also merge, creating a more massive black hole. The energy released during this process can cause gas and dust in the galaxy to heat up and trigger the formation of new stars. Black holes can also act as cosmic engines, driving the evolution of galaxies by influencing the motion of stars and gas within them. For example, the presence of a supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy can cause gas and stars to orbit it in a disk-like structure known as an accretion disk. As the gas in this disk spirals inward towards the black hole, it heats up and emits radiation. This radiation can exert a powerful force on the surrounding gas, driving out flows of material that can have a significant impact on the evolution of the galaxy as a whole. The future of black hole research. As technology advances, scientists will continue to learn more about black holes. They will use new telescopes and probes to study the environment around black holes and explore the mysteries of their inner workings. Thanks for joining us on this journey to explore the mysteries of black holes. We hope this video has inspired you to learn more about these fascinating objects and the incredible science behind them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more space-related content. And as always, keep looking up.